see Google Classroom, how to activate our Google Classroom. Here is, you have to just tap on Google. Then it is necessary that you have to have your account on Google. It means your Gmail account. Here I have to first of all log in my Gmail. It is necessary that you have to have your Gmail account. Now I have logged in with my Gmail account. Here you could see these 9 squares. If you click on that 9 square, you will see the Google other applications. Where you could see, you just scroll down, you will see, yes, this is what exactly the sign of Google Classroom. Yellow border, green color, and you have to tap on it. Before going to start your Google Classroom, you have to log in with your Gmail account. Yeah, so here all these are my classes. Now when you first log in, at that time, see, these are the 3 lines. Let me tell you. Here first you could see that classes, Google Calendar, you can add your events, occasions, assignments, whatever things you wish to add. Schedule especially, you can add here the calendar, teaching part as well as to review, and these are my classes, BA, webinar, and all these things. Now first of all we will see how to start with the creating our own classroom. This video is basically made for teachers point of view. Here you could see this sign, plus sign, so you have to just click on that plus sign. It asks you two things: join class and create class. Join class for the sake of students and create class for the sake of teacher. So right now we are talking about the teacher. So first of all, those who are teacher, they have to create the class. So click on that class. Google asks you some information and you have to just click on that. I have read that agreement, and yes, here this is what exactly the window come up. Class name, here you can give any class name, so especially those who are teaching for FYBA, SYBA, SYBSc, FY BCom, whatever classroom, so you can name over here or just write down the subject name also. So here I just type the compulsory English. Yeah, so this is the class name. Then section, if you have the section 1 or semester 1, you can just type here, and here is the subject also. Okay, here I have to just, here is the subject, and here I have to type the class for TYBA. Okay, room number is optional, you can type it or not. But if you observe here, unless and until you put anything, this create button you cannot see. So after filling the class name and the subject, this create button would be active. Now I have to, being the teacher, you create your class. Afterwards you can edit it also, but here two things are very important: your class name and the subject. Then I'll just click on the create. So my class is created, TYBA compulsory English. So it depends on your internet. Yeah, yes, this is what exactly the window come up to you. And for today's session, it is up to this how to create the classroom. In the next session we will see one by one. Okay, thank you very much.